Tips for making money online with affiliate marketing. Build a strong network. Build a strong network. One of the key aspects of succeeding in affiliate marketing is building a strong network of connections. While affiliate marketing often involves working independently, the power of collaboration and networking should not be underestimated. Here are some ways to expand on building a strong network in affiliate marketing. Join affiliate marketing communities. Participate in affiliate marketing communities, forums, and online groups where like-minded individuals gather to share insights, ask questions, and offer support. Engaging with these communities allows you to connect with fellow affiliates, learn from their experiences, and build valuable relationships. Attend affiliate marketing events and conferences. Make it a point to attend industry-specific events, conferences, and meetups. These gatherings offer opportunities to network with affiliate marketers, industry experts, and potential business partners. Be proactive in introducing yourself, exchanging contact information, and engaging in conversations to forge meaningful connections. Collaborate with other affiliates. Seek out opportunities for collaboration with other affiliates in complementary niches or those targeting similar audiences. Joint ventures, cross-promotions, and affiliate partnerships can greatly expand your reach and exposure. By leveraging each other's strengths, you can tap into new markets and increase your earning potential. Connect with industry experts and influencers. Identify influential figures and experts in your niche and establish connections with them. Engage with their content, share their insights, and reach out to them personally to express your admiration and interest in collaborating. By building relationships with industry leaders, you can gain valuable mentorship and exposure, and potentially access their networks. Attend webinars and workshops. Participate in webinars, workshops, and training programs conducted by industry experts. These sessions often provide networking opportunities where you can connect with fellow participants, speakers, and trainers. Actively participate in discussions, ask questions, and contribute to the conversation to leave a positive impression on others. Leverage social media platforms. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to connect with industry professionals and influencers. Engage with their content by liking, sharing, and commenting, and take the opportunity to initiate conversations. Building relationships on social media can lead to collaborations, knowledge sharing, and increased visibility for your affiliate business. Offer value and support. Building a strong network goes beyond simply seeking benefits for yourself. Be generous with your knowledge, offer support, and contribute to the success of others. Share valuable resources, provide insights, and help solve problems within your network. By being a reliable and supportive affiliate marketer, you establish yourself as a trustworthy and valuable connection. Attend local meetups and networking events. Explore local affiliate marketing meetups or organize one yourself. These face-to-face interactions can lead to meaningful connections and foster a sense of community within your geographical area. Connect with affiliates, advertisers, and industry professionals in your region to share experiences, exchange ideas, and potentially collaborate on projects. Remember, building a strong network takes time and effort. Focus on nurturing genuine relationships, offering value, and being a supportive member of the affiliate marketing community. As you grow your network, be open to new opportunities, collaborations, and partnerships that can accelerate your success in the affiliate marketing industry. Thanks for watching.